Here we have another 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. It's been turned inside out and the center line has been marked. Please ignore any odd noises. The wind is like 35 miles an hour outside. So, this is going to have symmetry, so we're going to go ahead and do sleeve inside sleeve. And then we'll do an additional fold after that. Okay. Been having a lot of trouble lately with these not releasing well. I'm not sure what's going on. It's literally getting worse. Look, you can see the gap there, and you can see that large rib right there. Let's try something real quick. This is not going to cooperate. Okay, zipper. Okay, that's better than it was. Okay, then we're going to take these and fold these back over so that we're doing a quarter instead of a half. Just going to eyeball this, take this. Okay, we're going to tentatively throw that, or temporarily, not tentatively, throw that over there and put it back, line that up, and we'll try to throw that over the back. And I have faith that that worked, and I put up the yardstick. Okay, I'm going to fold this. Let's fold it over the top. Then we're going to roll it. Because I seem to have an obsession with these rolls right now, still. I'm not going to have it perfectly smooth. And maybe I should start up here to interject more chaos into it, but I think it's already creating a buckle, so it should work. Okay, let me get that, put a rubber band on that, and keep going. Let's grab another one. Grab them. All right. I'd say a quick and easy roll, but this one wasn't necessarily as easy as just an actual roll. Am I going to fold it over itself? I don't think so, but we'll see when it gets time to actually dye it. Off to dye. Okay, I've marked off 2-inch sections for the different colors. If the sections are going diagonal at a 45 degree, or would that be actually 90 since it's crossing, to how it was wrapped. The colors are scarlet, tangerine, Grateful Dye's banana, Dharma's electric green, Dye Spin's Classic Cerulean, and Dharma's Great. So I'm going to do dye under ice, so I'll go ahead and dye it up. I'll move it a little and support it on the side and then add in the ice. Alright, we'll let that melt through and see how it looks. It's been about 4 days since this one's been done. It's been really cold here all week, so let it sit extra long. Let's go ahead and do the washout. I'm not turning the water off completely because we're still below freezing. Let's go ahead and take a look. And I'll go throw this in the wash, and we'll be able to take a better look after that. The front and the back. Huh. Get a face there. Actually, face, chin. Not sure what that is. Spyro? Anyway, back to the front. Actually, the back looks better. Oh, see a puppy here. Looks better on the shirt than it does in the video. But anyway, came out. Color stayed separated like they should. Well, you know what I mean. At least all the colors are there. You can actually pick out the yellow. Let me see. I don't care for this crease line right here, but I know what happened, so it's all good. I really should have done dye over ice instead of dye under ice, and I probably wouldn't have ended up with this dark line going down the center there. Let's see. Anything else? I don't think so. I think it looks good. Got random faces and characters and stuff in it. Let me know what you see. Oh, those could be little owls up here. And if you'd like to watch these videos without ads, you can access my Patreon with the link down below. Adding historical videos as well. It's just going to take me some time. Let me know what you think about this, that, and the other. That works. And until next time, thanks for watching.